Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today, I just wanted to bring you guys a quick video on how to build a stock portfolio. Just going to basically walk you through some steps that I feel are pretty important when you're going to be building a stock portfolio, and just some of my generic advice. A lot of people reach out to me for investment advice, whether it be on stocks or crypto or just anything about personal finance and budgeting. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Discord. The link will be down below. So, when it's first, let's go over the basic steps. So, I put education, find a stockbroker, set realistic goals, create a portfolio, and then create an investment strategy slash plan. So, I'm going to break down each one of these for you guys and just quickly but go over what I think you guys should be looking for. So, in education, there's a lot of free education out there. That's basically how I learned to invest, is just by doing it and educating myself. So definitely check out YouTube, Investopedia, and talk to other people who invest. On YouTube, you can check out a bunch of different channels uh, on stocks and personal finance, and see what other people are doing and see if you can learn from them. Investopedia, you can get familiarize yourself with some of the investing terms like dollar cost averaging, lump sum investing, ETFs, brokers, etc. And then talk to other people who invest. This is just going to be a good idea to see what other people are doing around you. Maybe you have someone who's a bit older than you who has been in the markets for a long time. That'd be a good person to talk to. So next, after you've educated yourself, you should find a stockbroker. So these are some of the brokers that I like. Webull is a very user-friendly app, and they are offering 4 free stocks right now just for signing up and depositing $100. So they have free trades. It's a great app. You guys should definitely check it out. My links will be down below for that. Robinhood, they'll give you 1 free stock, and I would say it's the most user-friendly app. So Robinhood, if you really just want a really user-friendly app on your phone to trade from, definitely recommend that. And then TD Ameritrade, if you're looking for something a little more advanced as far as charting goes, they give you Thinkorswim. They also have free trades due to Robinhood and Webull offering free trades that drove competition into traditional brokers like TD Ameritrade offering free trades. So they're a more traditional broker when it comes to their website and their different platforms like their app. But Thinkorswim, their software is excellent, and that is what I use to day trade and trade long term as well. And if you guys are interested, there's obviously a bunch of others out there, Fidelity, Schwab, etc., that also offer free trades. So next, set realistic goals. So the S&P 500, which is the top 500 stocks, there's a little more in there now. Tesla just got recently added even. Has done, I think there's about 510 stocks in there. Has done about 10 to 11% annually on average since its inception. So about, you can average about 10 to 11% if you're going over a long term. I'm not saying, hey, the S&P is going to average 10% next year, because there's no way of knowing that, right? But over a long period of time, it's shown to do that. And you can set down these numbers. If you think 7% is more realistic, you can go ahead and do that. I feel like it's pretty simple. You guys invest in index funds that over a long period of time, you will be able to get 10% returns. So if you compound that yearly over 25 years and you're investing $1,000 a month, at the end of 25 years, you'll have 300K deposited. You'll have 943K plus in interest and profits. So you'll have saved and have a total of 1.24 million plus. And this doesn't even include dividends, which hopefully your portfolio will have some dividend stocks. So that could be 1 to 3%, 1 to 3% of your portfolio a year. So the final thing, create a portfolio. So learn about, there's one more thing after this. Learn about ETFs and stocks and your current risk tolerance. How risky do you want to be? How safe do you want to be? I personally recommend ETFs, and if you really don't know much about investing, I recommend 100% ETFs. But personally, I think a good weight or balance could be 60% ETFs, 20% dividend stocks, and 20% individual stocks. This way, you have most of your money in ETFs, which is very diversified. 20% dividend stocks, you'll be getting, income every quarter, and then 20% individual stocks. So that's going to be a little more risky, but you'll be able to invest in companies and stocks that you really like and believe in. So then finally, let's talk about investment strategy slash plan. So we kind of covered it a little bit. I talked about dollar cost averaging, which basically means investing, monthly, weekly, daily, whatever it might be, and consistently. So when I talked about that $1,000 a month example earlier, or if you go ahead and lump sum, invest all of it or most of it now, what is the best strategy? Really, I usually recommend dollar cost averaging just because it's the most realistic for people. Usually people don't have a massive lump sum to just go ahead and invest in the market, but lump sum investing has proven to do better, I think 66% of the time, just because markets go up over time and the power of compound interest. So I'm definitely going to make another video on the power of compound interest and how important it is to start investing early. So let me know if you guys want a video on that. It really shows the power of gaining these interests, yearly, monthly, whatever it might be. So if you guys like the video, definitely drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have more questions about investing, personal finance, stocks, crypto, anything to do with that, definitely leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.